Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen making some nice, hot, creamy tomato soup. It's going to be delicious. We're going to start off with some fresh tomatoes. We're going to take those tomatoes and we're going to dice them. Dice them kind of small if you can. Next thing we're going to do is get some onions and dice that small as well. Then we're going to take some fresh garlic and chop it up. We're going to have some basil. Fresh basil is going to be really good. So we're going to use fresh basil. We're going to add all of that to a pot and add some salt and pepper. Next, we're going to take some heavy whipping cream and include that as well. We're going to go ahead and stir that in. Now, after we've added our heavy whipping cream, we're going to go stir it up and let that simmer for a while. When that's done, we're going to put it in a blender, blend it up, make it nice and creamy, and we can enjoy our soup. This is going to be delicious.